Are you someone struggling with management accounting? Don't worry, this video has you covered. From syllabus breakdown to exam format, study material, and preparation tips, everything you need to pass on your first attempt or even score top marks. The only video you need. Let's begin. So, what exactly do you study in management accounting? According to ACCA's official syllabus, you will cover 6 main areas. First, nature, source, and purpose of management information. Second, data analysis and statistical techniques. Third, cost accounting techniques in material, labor, and overheads. Fourth, budgeting preparation and its control. Fifth, standard costing and variance analysis. Sixth, performance measurement and monitoring. These topics help you understand how management accounting supports decision making, planning, and control in business. I will also put the whole syllabus and study guide from ACCA's official site link in the description. Now, let's talk about exam format. The MA exam is a 2-hour computer-based exam, and you will need at least 50% to pass your exam. The paper will be divided into 2 sections, Section A and Section B. In Section A, there will be no partial marking allowed, and in Section B, partial marking is allowed. I will explain partial marking in a moment. Section A carries total of 70 marks, whereas Section B carries total of 30 marks. In Section A, there will be 35 questions, each of 2 marks, and in Section B, it will carry 3 questions, each carrying 10 marks. In Section A, you will see MCQs, multiple response matching, or the multiple response in which you can choose 2 options, or in some question you will have to put the direct value. And in the Section B, you can see all of the question type except MCQs. Now, for your more understanding of exam format, have a look at specimen exam paper from the official ACCA site. I will also put this site's link in the description so that you can practice on your own. So have a look. And here is the example of a specimen exam paper. Just go to the link that is given in the description and just tap CBE specimen exam and just select your exam session and go for ACCA qualification and choose your level. We are choosing fundamental level, and now we are choosing the management accounting full exam paper, and then we will be directed to the official exam specimen page, and there you see all the information that is given and the passing mark 50% and the Section A, Section B detail that we have already discussed. And just this is the whole real exam, and just look at it carefully and just tap next. This is all the information that is given to you before the exam so that you can use the software easily, and just read this information before your exam, just now that you do not waste your time on your exam day. This is the information regarding flags. You can flag your question, and so that you can check it again. And now we have tapped on the start exam, and on the upper section see all the boxes we are given, and there it's that whole information is given regarding all the question, all the sections question, and you can go to any question through this map and we were talking about the partial marking, and in the section A you will not get marks if you choose the wrong option. You will get 0 marks. And whereas in the section B, every question, even its sub question have their own marks. If you make it right or wrong, you will get marks accordingly to each individual sub questions. This is called that in the section B, partial markings is allowed. And now see, if you want to flag some of your question that you want to review later, just flag the question, and if you have reviewed it, you can also remove your flag. And this is your whole exam experience. And if you are done with your exam, just tap the exit button in the right upper corner, and they will ask you, are you sure you want to exit? So you will say yes, and at the very time your result will be concluded to you. Should you join coaching or study by yourself? On the one hand, coaching gives structure, expert support, and discipline, and usually adds a high cost. Whereas self-study is flexible and cheaper and needs self-discipline and good planning. In this, I want you guys personally analyze your strengths and weaknesses and choose accordingly. And if you still ask for my opinion, then here's my personal opinion for those of you who are good at studies and also want to save money. For MA exam, you really do not need to spend a lot. Just focus on the important expenses like investing in good books and the fees to book your exam. And honestly, you can avoid the high cost of purchasing courses if you are disciplined enough. Why? Because MA is a subject that can be cracked with self-study and strong conceptual understanding. YouTube lecture, official ACCA resources, and exam kit are more than enough if you stay consistent. Now, when to book your exam? You can book the MA exam anytime since it's an on-demand computer-based exam. Ideally, book your exam early so that you have a fixed deadline to work towards. Now, how to book your exam? If you want to give the exam remotely, watch my video on everything about remote exam. Already I have put that video link in the description. And if you want to go for center-based exams, these exams are booked from the official site. So go check my description for more details. Now, the most important part, how to prepare for MA exams. First to pass and then to score top. To pass, initially you have to start reading and understanding the concepts in your study text fully. Further, you can practice from exam kit and also analyze carefully each wrong answer. And also do make revision notes and quick notes plus formula sheets to learn them side by side before exam. And if you are a person who learns more by listening than reading, you can watch course lectures either from the YouTube or paid classes for more clarity of concepts. And now, further, if you want top scores after passing numbers are secured, do use ACCA Study Hub. It contains chapter depth details, quizzes, and more practice questions. With that, do mock tests under timelines. The links are in description to practice mock tests. Then revise study text again and again. Going back to basics will strengthen weak areas. One of the most common question, which book should you use? Kaplan or PPP? Kaplan is known for clear explanations and worked examples, whereas BPP has strong question bank and exam style practices. I will recommend Kaplan as it is best for self-study, and also always ensure that you have the latest syllabus edition currently valid for the year you are going to give your exam in. And if you are a new student and confused about where to buy your books from, this is my genuine recommendation, as I fully found this website after purchasing books from other websites that provide books at expensive rates. This website is called Sterling Book House. You can buy any publisher, Kaplan or BPP, in paperback or e-form at affordable prices, having combination of both exam kit plus study text of latest edition. And most attractive thing is that you do not have to pay delivery charges if you choose delivery through the Indian Post. So here's the quick recap. Know your syllabus, understand the exam format, use the reliable study text with latest syllabus, use free resources like Study Hub plus mock test practice, practice as many exam style questions and go back to study text again and again to clear any doubts you're having. Book your exam early and stick to a consistent study plan. Follow these steps and you will not only pass but score high in your MA exams. And finally, your support means a lot. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and comment. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more ACCA exam prep content. And also stay tuned in upcoming videos. I will be sharing a handwritten note series for MA, BT, FA and other papers. That will give you a quick revision material in an easy format. Till then, study hard, stay smart, and I will catch you in the next one.